The size of bullet.
The size of bullet. Which type?
Sure, let the forensic give the answer.
Okay.
We found the bullet,
Uh-huh.
and let forensic do their work to investigate, to analyze it.
โอเค
Yeah.
โอเค
Yeah.
พอมาดูตรงนี้แล้วค่ะจะนำเรื่องนี้เนี่ยไปประชุมหารือหรือเข้าประชุมที่ประชุมอะไรยังไงบ้างหรือจะมีการแก้ไขปัญหายังไงให้ทางไทยบ้างคะ
Other ships in this area. First, we should report this to them, the air community, and how we should deal with this area to help fix the current situation.
Come again, please.
So,
We are trying very hard to ensure everyone follow the four agreement where Thailand already laid down the four agreement in the KL Accord. So we hope everyone can obey and everyone can follow the situation. I said now, we as an observer team, we observe and we send a report to our headquarters. We verify. Today we verified there is a bullet. Today we verified there is a shooting coming to the Thai defended position. So that is the facts that I have to send a report to AOT headquarters, which is in Malaysia. Right?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So how long that we know